Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming identity. This matters because linking requires exact matches. Enter your social security number and the post office account number now. Once done, provide the email or mobile tied to your post office profile so verification codes can be sent. You will also upload or confirm a government ID if requested. Make sure scans or photos are clear. These steps prevent mismatches and speed up verification, so complete them accurately before moving to authentication. Next, you authenticate to allow the services to communicate. Request the 6-digit verification code sent to your confirmed email or phone, then enter it immediately to avoid expiration. Once authenticated, choose the linking permission level. View only limits sharing while full access permits transactions. Select what you need. Check that the social security name, date of birth, and post office account name match exactly. If any field differs, correct it now to prevent rejection during the final confirmation. Finally, review the consent screen and accept the terms to complete the link. This action creates the official connection between your SSA and post office accounts. After acceptance, save a confirmation screenshot or note the reference number for records. If the link fails, first clear your browser cache and retry with the exact information you used for SSA. Mismatched names or dates are the most common causes. If issues persist, contact post office support and cite the reference number so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.